across our state, we are seeing a rise in overdoses and overdose deaths, and that's largely contributed to the fact that unintentionally people are taking fentanyl.
Now at 6 o'clock, a crisis in Indiana.
Yeah, overdose deaths. They're hitting every county in the state, and new warnings are coming down from federal officials. Fentanyl is a deadly problem, and some people don't even know they're using it. WRTV's Nikki DeMentri joining us in studio tonight.
She's here breaking down an alarming trend being seen in cities across the U.S. and what's being done in response. Nikki.
Yeah, Nicole, to put things into perspective here, the CDC reports that nearly 29% jump in overdose deaths. That's from April 2020 to April 2021. Now, fast forward to this week, and the DEA warned of an increase in a fentanyl-based mass overdose deaths. Now, state and county leaders here in Indiana say it's something they're not surprised to hear.
It's an uphill battle right now, the way I see it.
Overdoses and overdose deaths in Johnson County.
It's an ongoing issue, and we don't see it slowing down at this point.
Since January, the county has seen 11 overdose deaths, 9 involving fentanyl.
Fentanyl has really become the predominant drug in Indiana, and it's even made more lethal because it's showing up in the supplies where people aren't expecting to be using fentanyl.
Douglas Hunsinger is Indiana's executive director for drug prevention, treatment, and enforcement. He says across the state, there's been a rise in overdoses and overdose deaths. Fentanyl, he says, is the main culprit.
This is an issue that it doesn't know any socioeconomic boundaries. It doesn't play into political boundaries or racial boundaries. This is something that's happening all across our state.
This week, the DEA warned of a, quote, increase in mass overdose events involving deadly fentanyl. That means 3 or more overdoses at the same place or close in time. The agency says it's happened already in at least 7 U.S. cities.
I would hope that people will listen more from that, federal government authority, that the situation is very dire.
Organizations like Overdose Lifeline are working to ensure resources are easily accessible in hopes of curbing the trend.
So
This naloxone box off of West 42nd Street in Indianapolis includes both naloxone and fentanyl test strips.
It's just not that simple to say I'm not going to not use. So instead we have to be very careful about how we're using so that we can stay alive and subsequently get into recovery.
The Johnson County coroner adds education and information sharing is also important in this fight.
People have to talk. And if people aren't talking and paying attention to what's going on with these types of things, then we're never going to make any progress on this.
Now, Johnson County is implementing a number of new resources when it comes to curbing overdoses in their community. This includes a newly formed overdose fatality review board and also installing community aid boxes, which will include life-saving tools like naloxone, also known as Narcan.
And many community advocates share the dire need for naloxone and easy access to the life-saving drug. You mentioned Johnson County adding boxes similar to naloxone boxes, but when can people expect to see them?
Yeah, so right now the Johnson County Health Department tells me that they're in the assessment phase at this point in time. They tell me they're looking into putting these boxes in government buildings as well as hotels and motels. An exact number of what they're calling community aid boxes hasn't been determined just yet, but the Health Department is in the process of ordering supplies. Now, I want you to take a look at this map you see on your screen right now. It shows the locations of naloxone boxes across Indiana. Inside each of those boxes are naloxone kits, also known as Narcan. It may also include fentanyl test strips. You can find this map on our website, or their website, I should say, as well, overdoselifeline.org. We'll also have a link to this map, as I mentioned, on our website, which is WRTV.com.
Our Nikki DeMentri in studio tonight. Nikki, thank you. If you or someone you know has a substance use disorder, you can get immediate help. One resource is the website findtreatment.gov. That is where you can find a treatment facility near you, or you can call 1-800-662-HELP. Again, that is 1-800-662-HELP.